So I just picked up a new project. I want to show you guys this. She old, but she good. So, first thing I'm gonna do is get a good inspection on it. So talk to you later.
So here it is, a 1995 Ford Mustang. I've always had a soft spot for the SN95 Mustangs. Came across this one at a local mechanic shop. It's been sitting for a long time abandoned. The owner couldn't pay the repairs and eventually his shop just held on to it. Supposedly it needed a new PCM, and that's where things ended. But now, here we are. I had to take a chance on it. I like these cars. Then I found something out that would make this a little bit more interesting. This one's been swapped with a 4.6 liter V8. It's not exactly the original 5.0 that came from the factory, but this 4.68 caught my attention. .6 engines have their quirks, but can be a solid platform. Considering the price, it was worth it. It was worth the risk to see if we could bring this Mustang back to life. So the plan is simple. First, check if this thing has any chance of being turned over. We'll take a look at the basics, spark, fuel, power, and see if there's anything obvious going on with the PCM or if it's something entirely else. First thing first, I'm checking the battery and the wiring. Who knows what kind of shape they're in after sitting for so long. Let's see if we have any life. After all, with these cars, you never know what you're getting into. But that's the fun part, right? Let's see if we can revive this Mustang and get that 4.6 back on the road.
So one thing I just figured out, and I got lucky on, open up the trunk. You wouldn't believe what I found out here. My $500 Mustang. Looks like he has some plans. We're gonna see what we can do with it.